Here I have Motorola Edge 30 Neo, and today I'm going to show you how to customize watermark in camera on this device. So firstly you have to open camera, then tap on the gear icon to access its settings, then go to photos and then go to watermark. So after you enable device watermark, you have to enable only device watermark. Timestamp is not essential. You can add your own signature, which is basically your own custom watermark. You can enter like any text you want. You can enter your name, your surname, or your nickname, anything you want. I'm just gonna enter HardReset.Info. And now let's check out how this watermark will look like on the actual photo. So as you can see here, I have my device watermark and also my custom watermark. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.